stop playing with him.
facebyjdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. facebyjdevinci here. I'm here with an exciting video. I say all my videos exciting because every time I go back to edit them, I don't know. Today I'm gonna be doing a video where I try on my clothes that fit before pregnancy. Yeah, it's kind of crazy because my maternity clothes barely fit. I've gained like 50 something pounds, so your girl has gotten big. If any of you guys are wondering, I am in my 3rd trimester of pregnancy. I'm about to give birth. This is gonna be my first time. I'm gonna be a mom. I am already somebody's mom, you guys. I am a mom. I'm a mom. I'm a mom. Oh my gosh, every time I say it, every time I say that, I'm just like, oh my gosh. In today's video, I'm going to be trying on my clothes that used to fit before pregnancy, and now I don't know how they're gonna fit. My husband's clothes kind of fit, so we're gonna see how this goes. The first part of this video, I'm gonna share with you guys some pictures that I'm gonna try to recreate. Then next, I'm gonna have to go find the outfits actually in my closet. That's gonna be a task already in itself because you guys, your girl's gotten big. So okay, first outfit that I'm gonna try to find and recreate is this. It's like a black, look at it. I know where that skirt is, but I gotta find the shirt. The next one I'm gonna find, this dress is my grandma. She gave it to me. So yeah, this is a dress that's been in my family for like generations. Suck ourselves back into that. We're gonna also, ooh. The good thing about some of these outfits is that they look like they're spandexy. So hopefully I can get them over my stomach. Oh, 2 more. This little, and then lastly is like, oh no, we got 2 more. This bodysuit. I'm out of breath. All right, so let's go try to find these outfits. All right, so now we're looking for these outfits. No, damn it. Damn it, I thought it was gonna be easy. What about over here? I got hair everywhere. You guys, let it fall, let it be. Ooh. All right, I'm really looking, okay. Not looking like any luck over here. So let me go look in this other room where I know we got stuff. I'm gonna find something in here. And what are you? She's at the top. Don't mind this room. This is gonna be the baby's nursery, even though, you know, the baby's not gonna be in here for the first 6 months, but crib is filled with clothes. Okay, I know that my grandma's dress is in here for sure. Let's see if there's anything else in this drawer. Oh, okay, we found the, I low-key knew this stuff was in here, so. Okay, I'm really fingers crossing that we find all these outfits, because I have a picture of me with this on and I just found this, so we're gonna put this on. See what we could make happen with the stuff that we've already got, because your girl's getting out of breath. So for some very odd reason, I thought this was actually gonna fit. I really thought this was going to fit. Oh my gosh. Do you guys remember what it's supposed to look like? Hold on. Your girl's boobs are as big as melons. You guys, we can't recreate this picture. Do y'all see that boob though? I mean, for what it's worth, it's cute, but you guys, we just cannot. We was in Vegas. I literally remember this day. That's how I was. I'm gonna put it side by side. These are supposed to button. Do y'all see these titties? Oh my gosh. So this was supposed to button. All right, y'all. So I probably had this over my belly, and I remember my picture was more like, but yeah, y'all, this works only because it's spandexy. So we're about to be going to Vegas. This is gonna be, y'all, this is gonna be one of my Vegas fits. Do you see this? Do y'all see that walk though? She's like, what? Yes, I could dig it. Yeah, so this one, ooh, guys, this fit is cute though. Let's see what our next fit is, because this is cute, and I'm gonna have to turn up my fan because it's hot. So it don't fit. I'm over here talking big shit about how spandex can fit and it don't fit. So this shirt goes with the next outfit, but hold on, y'all. This shirt is cute. Shirt right here with some maternity jeans. Yes. You know, on White Chicks, where he come out and he's like bursting out of the seams. This is totally me in the spandex, and I thought that I'd actually be able to fit the fucking spandex. We can't even fit a spandex jumpsuit. I think we got one more outfit over here because I can't go around searching for these outfits no more, y'all. Let me see how high I had this skirt up. This is a mini skirt. It was over my belly button. So, oh, shit. And I was posed like this. My stomach looks even bigger. Oh my god. Alright, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. We are a badale. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys. I'm here. This is crazy. So this next outfit, this should fit. This should fit. Hold on, let me try to. It don't fit. It does not fit. It does not fit. It does not fit. Oh my god, these arms are so tight. My arms. Do you see that? You guys. I had so much faith in this dress because before this dress was humongous. It don't fit. And I had a lot of confidence. Y'all, I had a ton of confidence in this dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying on clothes that used to fit, and I actually thought that they would actually still fit, but they don't. If you like this video, give it a big old thumbs up. If you guys want to see a part 2, let me know in the comment sections, because right now your girl's out of breath. She kind of hungry, and I can't be looking for no more clothes. But yeah, I had fun. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel before I bust out of this thing. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.